Hello, my dear friends. Do you have clutter brain? Clutter brain. You know what that is? It's a way of thinking. It's saying, "Oh, my house is such a mess. Oh, I'm such a mess. Oh, I can't get anything done. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed." That's clutter brain, and it's not helpful. The best thing to do is to change your mind. Change your mind and start decluttering. If you haven't already, watch How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. And it talks about the 3 things that we do in our home. We declutter by doing our zone work, we do our routines, and we do our basic weekly plan. But decluttering is what gets the junk out of your house. And first you have to get the junk out of your brain. So get that out of your brain. Stop saying, "I'm a hot mess," or any of those other expressions, and start saying, "You know what? I see you. I have a plan for you, and I'm going to tackle you 15 minutes at a time." I hope you make it a great day.